Kama kuna kitu imeharibu nchi yetu ni hii maneno ya wanasiasa kuchukua pesa za misaada ambazo zinakuja with a lot of conditions. How can you allow Ebola patients to come and be quarantined in this country, forgetting that this is the only country we have? Mgonjwa wa Ebola is not supposed to interact with other people. He's not supposed to move from his country. Bro, this is the only country we have. There's no any other country we can go. Man, sometimes pesa sio kila kitu. Sometimes our lives matters a lot, man. We have to be serious. Mheshimiwa Ruto, our president, man, no. We can't accept this. We can't accept this. We can't. If I told you Wakenya ni waoga, then let those patients come. I'm telling you. Anyway, thank you.